Hey, this is Joe from CleenSlate, and every year we meet thousands of teachers who make their own dry erase boards. Sometimes they look like this, or maybe like this, or sometimes like this, or like these, or maybe even like this. But at the end of the day, they all end up here. Doesn't your classroom deserve better? Introducing CleenSlate's customizable student whiteboards, a beacon of hope in a messy dry erase world. It's two-sided, handheld, designed to last through the wear and tear of the classroom, and it's completely customizable. Side effects of using our boards might include increased engagement, improved test scores, increased efficiency, save time, save paper, save resources, easy formative assessment, happy students, happy teachers. So you make the choice. CleenSlate's award-winning handheld, two-sided, customizable whiteboards, or whatever this is.